Across continents, from bustling cities to remote villages, milk remains a fundamental part of the human diet. As the world's population continues its relentless climb, so too does our collective demand for this essential nutrient. Yet, despite an astonishing number of cows and dairy farms globally, traditional methods are struggling to keep pace. Farmers worldwide face an escalating challenge: how to produce more efficiently, and more sustainably, without compromising on quality or animal welfare. This is a story of how technology is answering that call, on a scale previously unimaginable. For centuries, the rhythm of dairy farming was dictated by the rising sun and human hands. Farmers milked cows by hand, a laborious and time-consuming process that shaped rural life. But in the late 1990s and early 2000s, a quiet revolution began to stir in dairy barns across the world. The introduction of automatic milking systems, or AMS, marked the dawn of a new era. These pioneering robotic milkers began to redefine what was possible, signaling a fundamental transformation in how modern dairy operations would function. What exactly defines an automated dairy farm? It's far more than just robotic milkers. A truly comprehensive automated dairy farm integrates a suite of advanced technologies, working in seamless harmony as a unified system. These systems employ robotic milking, automated feeding technology, and sophisticated sensor-based monitoring. The goal is clear: to enhance efficiency, boost productivity, and improve cow welfare, all while drastically reducing the intensive labor demands that have historically characterized dairy farming. It's a marvel of modern agricultural engineering. At the heart of this transformation are robots. These aren't just simple machines, they are sophisticated systems equipped with 3D cameras or laser beams, designed to milk cows without human intervention. Farmers describe three critical benefits: significantly increased milk production, substantial labor savings, and crucially, vastly improved cow comfort. The robots adapt to the cow's natural rhythms, allowing them to be milked when they choose, rather than on a rigid schedule. This autonomy for the cows is a game-changer for their well-being. The impact of automation on farm operations is staggering. Automated dairy farms can reduce labor requirements by an impressive margin, up to 75%. This frees up human farmers to focus on strategic management and animal health, rather than repetitive tasks. Simultaneously, these systems increase milk production by 5 to 17%. This dual benefit, fewer hands needed and more milk produced, makes automated dairy farming an attractive, albeit significant, investment. It's a powerful answer to the global demand challenge. Such transformative technology comes with a substantial price tag. The investment costs for an automated dairy farm typically range from $200,000 to $300,000 per robot. This significant upfront expenditure means that not all dairy farmers can immediately benefit from robot-based technology. The payback periods can stretch from 8 to 15 years, requiring long-term vision and financial planning. However, for those who can make the leap, it represents a fundamental shift in profitability and operational scale, a pathway to the future of dairy. The United States stands as the world's largest producer of cow's milk, a testament to its vast agricultural infrastructure. This leadership position is only set to grow. The country is now heavily investing in the construction of an unprecedented 100,000 cow dairy farm. This colossal enterprise isn't just for domestic consumption, it's being built to export milk to Russia, a strategic move following Russia's decision to largely stop milk imports from European Union countries. It highlights the geopolitical and economic forces driving agricultural scale. But to truly grasp the peak of automated dairy farming, we must turn our attention to one of the most unlikely places, the harsh desert landscape of Saudi Arabia. Here, a true marvel of engineering and agricultural ingenuity thrives. Almarai operates what is widely considered the world's largest vertically integrated dairy farm. It's a farm that defies its environment, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in large-scale food production. This isn't just a farm, it's an entire ecosystem built for milk. Almarai Farm is home to an astounding number of animals, over 180,000 cows. To put that into perspective, that's more cows than the entire dairy herds of many small countries.
This incredible scale demands absolute precision in every aspect of its operation.
From the climate-controlled sheds that shield the cows from the brutal desert heat, to the intricate feeding schedules and health monitoring systems, every detail is meticulously managed.
It's a testament to human innovation tackling environmental extremes.
One of the most profound challenges of operating such a massive dairy farm in an arid climate is, naturally, water. Almarai relies heavily on desalinated water, transforming seawater into the lifeblood of its cattle operations. This complex and energy-intensive process ensures a consistent and clean water supply for drinking, cooling, and cleaning. It's a powerful example of how extreme conditions necessitate extreme technological solutions, pushing the boundaries of sustainable resource management in agriculture.
The complete journey of milk at a modern automated dairy farm like Almarai is a finely tuned ballet of technology and biology.
It begins with meticulous care for the cows.
In large, specially designed sheds, cows are separated by gender and age, ensuring optimal conditions for each group. Their comfort and health are paramount, as happy cows are productive cows.
This foundational care is the first step in guaranteeing the high quality and quantity of milk that will ultimately reach consumers. When a cow decides it's time to be milked, she approaches a robotic milking station. A sophisticated 3D camera or laser beam scans her udder, precisely locating the teats. The robotic arm then gently attaches the milking cups.
This entire process occurs with minimal human intervention, ensuring hygiene and consistency.
The system even monitors each cow's individual milk yield and health data, flagging any anomalies.
It's a personalized approach to mass production, putting the cow's natural needs first.
Automatic Dairy Management Systems, or ADMS, are specifically designed to optimize milk harvesting. These advanced systems enhance milking speed significantly, further reducing the overall labor costs associated with this critical process. The efficiency gains are enormous, directly contributing to a substantial boost in overall milk yield.
This technological leap means more milk is collected faster and with greater consistency, allowing farms to meet the ever-increasing demand from urban centers and export markets around the globe.
But automation extends far beyond the milking parlor.
Automated feeding technology ensures that cows receive precisely the right nutrition at the right time.
Autonomous robots navigate the barn, pushing feed closer to the cows or delivering customized rations based on individual needs and production levels. This not only optimizes feed consumption and reduces waste but also contributes to the cow's overall health and contentment, directly impacting milk quality and quantity.
It's a science of nutrition delivered by machines. Sensor-based monitoring is another cornerstone of automated dairy farming.
Tiny Rumen bolus technologies, for instance, can track a cow's health, activity levels, and even detect early signs of heat stress. Data from Munsist indicates that heat stress alone can impact 20 to 30% of dairy cows, severely affecting fertility, especially during breeding season. By continuously monitoring these vital metrics, farmers can intervene proactively, ensuring optimal health, comfort, and reproductive success for the entire herd. Revolutionizing dairy farming with robots isn't just about efficiency, it's profoundly about improving cow welfare. In these advanced barns, autonomous robots handle the repetitive tasks, allowing farmers more flexibility to focus on individual animal care and management. Cows can choose when they eat, rest, and are milked, reducing stress. This autonomy, combined with climate control, comfortable bedding, and consistent access to fresh feed and water, creates an environment where cows are genuinely content, leading to better health outcomes. While machines take on much of the physical labor, human expertise remains indispensable. At farms like Bangladesh's first fully automated dairy farm, which employs 45 people, staff focus on critical tasks such as monitoring the systems, performing maintenance, ensuring animal health, and managing the overall operation. A dairy farm expert from the Netherlands was even appointed to oversee the Bangladesh farm. This highlights that automation isn't about replacing people entirely, but empowering them to work more intelligently and strategically. The journey of milk doesn't end at the udder. Once harvested, the milk is immediately transported to an on-site processing plant. Here, innovative technologies ensure the milk's purity and safety. At the Bangladesh farm, for example, the processing unit can even separate harmful antibiotics and aflatoxin from the milk. This rigorous quality control ensures that only the safest, highest-grade milk is packaged, typically in 500 milliliters and 1000 milliliters packs, ready to be distributed to thousands of households. No hands touch the milk in this entire sterile process.
Automated dairy farming also champions sustainability. By optimizing feed, reducing waste, and improving cow health, these farms minimize their environmental footprint.
The precision of automated systems means resources like water and energy are used more efficiently. For farms like Almarai, desalinated water, while energy-intensive, becomes a sustainable source in an arid region. The pursuit of efficiency and productivity inherently drives practices that are better for the planet, pushing agriculture towards a greener future.
Understanding milk involves knowing its intricate composition.
In its raw state, over 87% of milk is water. The remaining 13% consists of vital dietary components: butterfat, a rich source of energy, whey and casein proteins, essential for growth and repair, lactose, the natural milk sugar, and ash, which comprises a spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Automated systems help maintain the consistency and quality of these components, ensuring every glass of milk delivers optimal nutrition. The Complete Guide to Automated Dairy Farm highlights that reproductive management has two main goals: increasing the number of cows on the farm and improving their genetic quality. More cows naturally lead to increased milk production. Automated systems contribute significantly to this by precisely monitoring fertility cycles and optimizing breeding times, using sensor data to ensure successful reproduction. This continuous improvement in herd size and genetic potential secures the farm's future milk supply. The world's population is expected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, putting immense pressure on food systems. Automated dairy farms are a crucial part of the solution to this looming demand crisis. By enhancing efficiency, productivity, and sustainability, these farms are helping to bridge the gap between supply and demand. They demonstrate how innovative technologies and practices can scale up food production responsibly, ensuring that future generations will also have access to essential nutrients like milk. While Almarai and the upcoming US 100,000 cow farm represent the pinnacle of large-scale automation, this transformation isn't limited to giants. From Bangladesh getting its first fully automated dairy farm, to SRC farms near Kolkata serving 1,500 households, the adoption of these systems is a global trend. It reflects a universal recognition of the need for advanced agriculture to boost milk production, enhance sustainability, and improve animal welfare. The future of dairy is undeniably automated, worldwide. Almarai Farm, operating in the challenging Saudi Arabian desert, serves as a powerful blueprint for future large-scale dairy operations. Its ability to thrive in an arid climate, supporting over 180,000 cows and meticulously managing every detail from climate control to desalinated water, showcases unparalleled agricultural ingenuity. This vertically integrated model, combining farming, processing, and distribution, ensures efficiency from start to finish. It's a vision of what advanced technology can achieve in the face of environmental adversity. The complete journey of milk, from the individual cow to the final package, is managed with incredible precision. Advanced agriculture, sustainability practices, and cutting-edge technology are intertwined at every step to boost milk production. This seamless process ensures that the milk maintains its quality, from the moment it leaves the udder until it reaches the consumer's table. It's a modern marvel, delivering freshness and nutrition to hundreds of thousands of people every single day. The economic ripple effect of automated dairy farms is significant. Beyond reducing labor costs and increasing yield, they create new job categories requiring specialized skills in robotics, data analysis, and system management. While the upfront investment is high, the long-term return on investment, with payback periods between 8 to 15 years, promises substantial profitability. This transformation attracts further investment into agricultural technology, driving innovation and solidifying the dairy sector's economic future.
A critical aspect of modern dairy farming is addressing ethical concerns. Sadly, cases of cattle mistreatment have historically plagued parts of the Indian dairy industry, with additives sometimes found in produce. Farms like SRC Farms in Kolkata are setting an example by prioritizing the health, comfort, and nutrition of their cattle.
Automated systems, with their consistent monitoring and gentle handling, naturally lend themselves to higher welfare standards, promoting a more humane approach to animal agriculture.
At the core of these massive automated farms is an intricate web of data.
Every cow's health, milk production, feeding habits, and activity levels are continuously monitored and analyzed. This real-time data allows farm managers to make informed decisions, optimizing operations, preventing disease outbreaks, and ensuring peak productivity. Automatic dairy management systems are transforming multiple dairy industry segments, delivering unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity through data-driven insights.
Water usage in agriculture is a global concern. For Almarai, desalinated water is a necessity, turning seawater into the lifeblood of its vast cattle operations. This process, while costly, highlights a critical adaptation to environmental challenges. Future innovations will likely focus on even more efficient desalination and extensive water recycling within farm operations.
The scale of these farms mandates that every drop is managed with precision and responsibility, pushing the boundaries of what is agriculturally sustainable. The United States' heavy investment in building a 100,000 cow dairy farm is not just an economic venture but a strategic geopolitical move. With Russia halting milk imports from the EU, the US is positioning itself to become a key supplier.
This massive farm is a testament to the belief that large-scale automation is the most viable path to meet international demand efficiently and reliably. It underscores the evolving landscape of global trade and the critical role of agricultural exports. Imagine a day on such a farm.
The cows move freely between resting, feeding, and milking stations, guided by their own instinct and the gentle encouragement of technology.
Robotic arms perform their tasks silently, sensors continually stream data, and automated feeders replenish fresh feed.
Human workers, fewer in number but highly skilled, oversee the systems, intervene when necessary, and provide specialized animal care. It's a dance between biology and machinery, optimized for peak performance and animal well-being.
Climate control is paramount, especially in arid regions like Saudi Arabia.
The massive sheds at Almarai are meticulously designed to mitigate heat stress, a condition that can impact a significant portion of a dairy herd.
Advanced ventilation, cooling misters, and strategic shade ensure that the cows remain comfortable even when external temperatures soar.
This precise environmental management is vital not only for animal welfare but also directly correlates with consistent milk production and fertility rates.
Almarai's success is deeply rooted in its vertically integrated model.
This means the company controls almost every step of the milk production process, from growing its own feed, often in other, less arid regions, raising the cattle, milking, processing, to distributing the final products.
This level of control ensures maximum efficiency, consistent quality, and reduced supply chain risks. It's a holistic approach that allows for rapid scaling and adaptation, making it truly a giant in the global dairy industry. The journey of automated dairy farming is far from over. Future trends in the automatic dairy management system market promise even more sophisticated innovations. We can expect further enhancements in milking speed, greater precision in animal health monitoring, and even more sustainable practices. As the technology evolves, it will continue to drive efficiency and productivity, ensuring the dairy industry can meet the challenges of a growing world population and changing environmental conditions. It's a testament to ongoing human ingenuity. From the initial investment challenges to the groundbreaking achievements in desert farming, automated dairy represents a fundamental transformation. It is proving that it's possible to produce milk for 100,000 people every day, or even more, with enhanced efficiency, improved cow welfare, and a commitment to sustainability. This isn't just about milk, it's about the future of food production, demonstrating how technology, when thoughtfully applied, can nourish a growing planet. The promise of automated dairy is immense, and its story is still being written.